What are you eating?
Licorice.
Licorice?
Licorice.
What are you drinking?
Milk.
Milk?
Huh?
Where did Daddy go?
Then get dinner.
To get dinner?
Yeah.
Where is Mommy and Christian?
I don't know.
Are they at a movie?
Yeah. A movie?
What'd you do today?
Mommy, Mom, Jason.
Did you play outside?
Yeah?
Did you show me how you can count?
Huh?
Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8,
9.
9.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm Brianna.
Hi, no.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Say hi.
Karen.
Hi, Karen.
Hi, Karen.